goes 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We started off with a cutoff whip. It goes 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. Triple step. The rhythm is walk, walk, triple step, walk, walk, triple step. We then showed you how to do that from handshake. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Without any rotation, slide down her arm. Or with rotation, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, triple step. From here, we then showed you to pick up that hand. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We then showed you the Titanic. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We could also do that with the spin if we wanted. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. But I usually don't add that spin. So doing the move twice in a row with the hand release goes 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. Back to the Titanic. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. I've been DJ John Paul. That's been the lovely Kortnee. Thank you, Roundup Nightclub. Grab a guy, grab a girl. Let's practice this move for a song.